Okay, here's this Sound Blaster K3. So first, this is the front of the Sound Blaster K3. There are two microphone 1, microphone 2. You can use either home microphone for karaoke, or you can use the condensed microphone. You can use either one, or you can use both. And next is you can connect a guitar instrument, or other music instrument, and then you can use the headphone 1 and headphone 2 to listen to your own voice or the missing karaoke. And here's the interface. So you see effects input. You can adjust your mid bass, mid trap, and you can adjust the volume minimum to max volume for mid 1 and mid 2. And you can use voice over when you need to talk to your audience, then you can press voice over, so your voice will be louder than the music voice. And you can adjust the reverse and delay. I used to 8, because 8 is X, and you can press the button next to the number 8. So it will go to number 7, which is Revert Delay. When you go to number 7, Revert and Delay, you can adjust the amount of the Revert Delay. So you can adjust to low or high the amount of reverse or delay. And for the karaoke, so you should turn on the missing effects and the monitor effects. So you turn on all of these 4 buttons. Okay, for the missing monitor output, I'll just go in the middle of these buttons. So let's review the back of the Sound Blaster K3. You have light out and light in, and you have mobile in and out. So for mobile in and out, that you can use the music from your iPhone or from your Android device, the music you use for the karaoke. For the live stream, you should connect RCA cable for the live stream. Okay, so you need the RCA cable with the female 1/8" or 3.5 millimeter. Here's the cable look like. Okay, so the RCA cable with the 3.5 millimeter jack or 1/8" jack. You use this in plus with the live stream cable. It's called XOX MA2 cable. So this is the XOX MA2 cable. You need to have this in order to record the live stream video for the qualified sound. I know it should be the better sound than you just record normally. You need this very important cable in order to have the good sound from live stream. So let me connect it to see how it works. You have to connect the right connect right and left. Right is black and left is white. Then you connect the MA2 cable with the pink color jack. Okay, the pink color jack, you cannot do the green one, so you have to use that, and you connect the black cable to your iPhone or your Android device for the live stream. So you either live stream from the Facebook, or you can live stream from the YouTube. So you need to connect that cable to the black one to your live stream device. Okay, so this is what it connect. So you this is the Sound Blaster K3 Plus. You connect microphone from the front, then set off the sound that you like, then connect the live stream cable with the RCA output or the line out to the XOX MA2 cable, and connect it to your live stream device like iPhone or Android device. You can get the music from the computer. Okay, so you connect the USB cable to the computer to get the power, and you can get music from the computer. You need to get the power from the USB cable.
Lần đầu gặp em khi phố kia chưa lên đèn, giờ này gặp nhau trên sân ga chiều loan nắng. Vòng về hỏi thăm em mấy cô đi về đâu, cớ sao đứng chờ, cớ sao đứng đợi. Đường tàu mùa xuân nay biết em đang mong chờ, tàu về tàu đi như mang theo niềm nhung nhớ. Chợt buồn chợt vui anh biết đâu em hờn dỗi, mà em mất hỏng vì thẹn thùng khi bên nhau. Chính sân ga chiều người đông nhưng ai cũng là tình cờ gặp nhau, ngỡ như mình quen quá. Chuyện gần chuyện xa mới hay em từ ra, anh trên con tàu sao lỡ vô tình rời sân ga. Một lần gặp nhau anh đã mang đi kỷ niệm, rõ ràng thời gian không cho ta nhiều lưu luyến. Chuyện về tình yêu như sân hoa mắn màu nhớ, dấu cho hững hờ ước mơ vẫn chờ. Đoàn tàu con đây ta đã xa xa nhau rồi, người chờ người đi ai không thương mà không nhớ. Trời càng về khuya đêm hắt hiu sương lạnh giá, lắng nghe tiếng còi tàu tìm về trên sân ga.